cold, cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hello everyone, Dominique here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, back to back, like Drake, okay? But anyways, you guys, this video, I already have my eyebrows done and my lips primed. But anyways, I will be recreating the infamous Alissa Ashley's bold purple makeup look. And she posted this makeup, when did she do it? I want to say, let me see, 3 days ago. It was just under super bold purple makeup, and it was great for every day. It's that first video. And I said I wanted to recreate it because it's super bomb, and of course purple is my favorite color. So I had to do it. So anyways, if you guys ready for this video, continue watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off. Okay, so I'll be starting off with some primed lids, just with some concealer on top, and I will be using the Zulu by Juvias Place and the purple that she has in here for all over my lid. Now, Alissa basically just used purple and then a hint of blue, so I'm just gonna follow her lead. I'm just gonna apply this purple all over my lid. Nothing too major, nothing to be specific about. Just I'm starting off with a purple. The brush that I'm using is just a tapered eyeshadow brush, and it's by Airway Studios, which is from shopmissa.com, and it is the E136 brush. Hopefully they got focused. Looks like so. Just applying the purple all around. Leaving some space for that highlight at the end for my brow bone. Blending it lightly. Ooh, excuse me, upward. And yeah, then after, she added a shimmer in the middle of the lid. It was like a purple iridescent shimmer. I'm trying to see if I have one as light as the one she applied, and I think I don't. I think they're all dark. However, I'm gonna make it work with this pinky iridescent shade in this Nicki K 32 Perfect 32 color palette. Had it for a long time, and the pink is like a pinky purple iridescent color. I'm going to put on my finger, and she did like this, just applied it in the middle. No need for a brush when you have a finger. Do the same for the other eye. Just put that purple iridescent on the middle, and that's super pretty. It goes on super easy too. I'm gonna go back with my purple and just blend it how I want it to be. I just want it like I guess a halo, because it was like a halo. Okay. Alrighty, so I skimmed through the video again. And like I said, she did have it, the shimmer like more, or just focus on the bottom. But I think I'm gonna just make it a little halo-ish and still put her on the bottom as well. And I'm gonna leave it like so. Still go over my purple. Blend it out a little bit. Alrighty. Next, I'm going to speed through this process with my face routine. And of course, I'm using some Fenty Beauty. And let's quicken up the show. time I have the face done, I'm going to apply some lashes. But first, I'm gonna do a wing liner. She did a wing liner and it was fierce, okay? Jeez, I don't know if I can, don't know if my liner can compare, but we gonna try. Anyways, while looking for my dad's liner, I feel like everything disappeared when I wanted it. Like, it never fails. Alright, you guys, so I have my liner. I'm going to use NYX Epic ink liner. I'm about to sit here and do this wing. Try to do it effortlessly. I'm going to take my compact mirror for a guide. Oh Lord, if I mess up, that's it. Alissa, you won. You win. Who said it? Y'all won. Like, Offset said, oh, I maybe achieved it. I think I did it. With one swipe? Oh yeah. I sure did. And all I gotta do is color baby in. I really do love NYX and these pens. I really do. I don't have time for eyeliner and a brush. I'm gonna have to dip it and then the pen. It was made for a girl like me. Lazy! I'm not lazy, but you know. Okay, now it's time to achieve this on the other eye. Okay, the lashes that I'm applying. These bad boys. Okay, the lashes are on, and I am not in Alissa, okay? Ooh, but I just had to recreate the look. I just had to say it. She is extremely bomb and super gorgeous and can start up some conversation, okay? People like to talk about her hair that she got, them braids. Them braids are everything. Everybody can kick rocks, okay? She paid what she paid in a discussion. Anyways, she's dope. She's a dope influencer and just with everything makeup, period. So you guys should definitely subscribe to her channel. I hope. Alissa, it just took me 25 minutes or so to put these lashes on. Please tell me how long you think you put yours on. A girl needs to know. What's tea? What's the what? Anyways, and she added some blue to her bottom lash line. So I'm gonna do so. I really don't have them very light blue, but I think I might try this one. With my Nickel K palette. I have a couple blues, just two. Blue that she had was looking psychedelic, like it was. I'm gonna try this one, and I'm just gonna put it on the lower lash line. It's a blue, might not be the same as hers, but it's definitely a blue. And I think that's super fire how she just thought blue and purple. Blue and purple. I think I did a blue and purple look before though. There's been some colors you wouldn't think go together, but you'd be surprised what the mind can come up with. Ooh. Okay. I'm not using another bit of flat concealer brush to apply the blue on the bottom lash line. And I like it. I don't think she did this much, but I really like it. And to the lashes back popping, I'm going to use some L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. Did I just blow this like it was food? Oh my god, I'm tired. It's time to go to bed. So I'm just going to make my lashes come back to life. A applying eyeshadow does tend to make them disappear. Never get the dust off, fall out. No, who knows? Oh, that's super pretty. And let's see. It's not done. She added a purple highlight. It was something dust, but of course I think I'm gonna use that purple shade that I used, the iridescent, for my eyes as a highlight. So I'm gonna tap 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 that on the highest peak of my face. And I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of purple, just get the hints of it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that normally with the fan brush. Oops, see purple. I see purple and gold. And that's super pretty. But I'm gonna go back in with the purple. Okay, there we go. And the purple is there. I'm gonna add some. On the Cupid's bow. And the iridescent one. And a little bit on the base. Ooh, that was a lot, but hey, we all start somewhere. Like, it comes off gold too, so it's like, that's just super cool to me. Whoever iridescent, well, how did it ever come about? I don't know, but it's super pretty. I'm just blending in out that purple. And to tone it down, of course, I'm gonna use a sponge just to tap it in. Tap it in and take some away, just a little. Yep. And let's start with this lip. So far, as far as this lip, it's purple, it's bomb, it's there. So I'm going to be using the crayon case for my lips. I'm going to be using, here's my plump colored pencil for a liner. Use plump as a liner. And for this lip, we're going to be using Raven from the crayon case. Looks like so. This package is so pretty. It's a very pretty purple. Or should I use Cyber? No, I'm going to stick with the crayon case. In purple, that's the applicator. And, ooh. Now, bold eye looks with a bold lip is very bold and a lot. And I try to refrain from. Because it's like, you're already doing a lot on your eyes. Calm it down with the lip. But hey, Alissa do it, so can I. And this lip is matte. That's for just one application. I'm gonna go over it again. And she has like a, who cares? Alissa shall approve. Oh yes. Oh no, not. But yeah, let me spray my face. I'm using NYX Cosmetics Matte Finish Matte Spray. I like to feel like I'm swimming. Who doesn't? And the highlight is on Glow. I'm sorry, that's eyeshadow. That's not highlight. And this is the look, you guys. Shout out to Alissa Ashley. This video was very quick and simple. And I must say it was very easy. And I loved hers. And I hope if she ever does see this, she loves mine. So this is my little recreation, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and help me reach my goal to 1,000 subscribers by July. Help a girl out. I really, really would appreciate it. And you guys, am I forgetting anything? Of course, everything will be in the description box. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. The lips, eyes, highlight. I think I'm done. Brows. You guys, see you in my next video.